EagleRidge Roofing, your trusted roofing partner in South Jordan, Utah. Welcome to EagleRidge Roofing, your trusted roofing contractor in South Jordan, Utah. Whether you need a new roof installation, a repair, or routine maintenance, we are here to provide top-quality services for both residential and commercial properties. Our team of certified professionals ensures that your roof is built to last with premium materials and expert craftsmanship. At EagleRidge, we specialize in a variety of roofing solutions, including asphalt shingles, metal roofs, and flat roofing systems. Our commitment to using the best materials, coupled with our attention to detail, guarantees high-performance results that protect your home or business for years to come. Our residential services include roof repairs, replacements, inspections, and storm damage assessments. We also offer gutter installations, ice and water shield applications, and efficient ventilation solutions to enhance your home's energy efficiency. For commercial properties, we provide roof installation, maintenance, and preventative care through our EagleRidge Peak Protection Plan. We also specialize in flat roof repair and installation, as well as metal and membrane roofing systems. At EagleRidge, we pride ourselves on our transparency, punctuality, and exceptional customer service. Our goal is to ensure your satisfaction at every stage of the project, from the initial inspection to the final cleanup. So, if you're in South Jordan, Utah, and looking for reliable roofing services, look no further. Call us today at 801-784-1457 for a free roofing inspection, or visit our website at eagleridgepros.com to learn more.